In the previous lesson, we learned how to add center marks to the top view of this drawing. The center mark command, as you know, can be used for holes, fillets, and slotted features. Center marks can be added manually or automatically. So now that the top view is completed, let's take a look at the front view. It looks like in the front view, we need to add 3 center lines. So how do we do that? We simply go to the annotation ribbon, and right below the center mark command, we have a centerline command. Now once you select centerline, the property manager opens and tells you to manually insert center lines. You can select 2 edges. So if I go out to the screen and select 2 edges, it places a centerline. Now if I select these 2 edges, notice the centerline is a bit short. That requires, after you close out of the property manager, that you select the center line and then grab the blue square at the very end of the center line and stretch it out. Now if I delete this center line and delete this center line and then go back into the center line property manager, notice we do have an option for auto insert. You simply select the view and it auto inserts the center lines. Unfortunately, it added center lines to the fillets, so that requires that I go back and delete the center lines in the view. Now, just like center marks, this is how you add center lines manually. If you want to add center lines automatically, we simply go back to the Options dialog box. We select the Document Properties tab, Detailing, and right here, we put a check mark in front of center lines. So that would be the automatic method. Let's go ahead and close out of this. It is important to mention that we can attach leaders to center lines. I'll go to the annotation ribbon, select note, and then go back to the drawing view and select a center line. I'll place the note, and you'll see the leader attaches directly to a center line. We can also apply relations between sketch geometry and center lines. I'll go to the sketch ribbon, select the line command, and I am going to draw a line at the same angle as the chamfer. I'll escape out of the line command. I'll hold down the control key, select the center line, and select the new sketch line, and apply an equal relation. You can also find a virtual sharp between a center line and a piece of sketch geometry. Once again, I'll hold down the control key, select the center line, select the sketch geometry. I'll go to the sketch ribbon and select the point command, and it locates a virtual sharp.